Hey guys, Massimo from Scottsdale Restorations here. This is a fully stock GMC with the 8-foot long bed and the 5.3 liter V8, which of course has the potential to sound amazing. But we gotta wake it up, and that's what we're gonna do in this video. Let's go see what it currently sounds like. But first, of course, we gotta get some routine maintenance done, do a quick oil change and filter change, and then we can get to the exhaust and the cold air intake. So we got the stock exhaust out of the truck. This is Magnaflow's Street Series Cat-Back exhaust. So it replaces from the cats all the way back. We have a small secondary cat up here. And then of course their Magnaflow muffler looking really nice with their logo branded on it. And we're about to install the exhaust tips that come out of the back of the truck. Those will look really cool in black. I'm excited to see this all together. Let's keep going. All right, so we got the Magnaflow exhaust fully installed. The back end of this exhaust being black as opposed to silver was absolutely the right move by Magnaflow. I love it, but we can't start it up yet because we have to do the Corsa cold air intake first, and then we're ready to see how it sounds. All right, so we just finished the Corsa Performance cold air intake on the shop truck, and it's time to go out for a rip and see how the new exhaust sounds. First start. All right, we finished all the installs on the shop truck, Magnaflow Cat-Back exhaust, Corsa Performance cold air intake, and of course you have to do the necessary maintenance, the oil change. I think it's time to go check out how this thing sounds. I think you're gonna love it. Sounds pretty awesome, right? Not bad for a shop truck. That's gonna be it for this video, guys. We got a ton more cool projects coming up in the next few weeks and a ton of cool projects already filmed on our channel. Check them out, subscribe, stay tuned. While you do that, I'm gonna go have fun in the shop truck.